So, Bandino, why you fuck me like this?
Fuck you talking about? I got a whole leg coated with neosporin. I just spent an hour with the cops explaining how it went down.
I no forget you professional criminal.
Let me ask you something. If I really wanted to rob you, you think I'd have to put up with this bullshit?
Well, just so you know.
I didn't take your truck. I lost my study guide, my fucking flashcards. Sick of this fucking prejudice against ex-cons.
I never hire you if I don't need Tony Soprano for union. Not for him. I show you the fucking window.
Yeah?
I give you a harder time about my truck the other day. Cops find 2 kids.
Feel free to apologize anytime.
Anyway, they investigate. Could be joyride. But I think maybe behind it is my cousin in the north side.
Do you know if they found my books?
Who knows? You study hard for massage, yeah?
The licensing test is pretty hard. Huge failure rate.
If you pass, then what you do with this?
Be a professional masseur.
You know, think of massage kage? You know, small sauna.
Yeah, I can see it. 4 or 5 tables, soothing atmosphere, pipe in a little Keith Jarrett.
First the thing I get stuck with you, I think, oh, shit, God damn it. You lazy American and criminal. Not good for Kim. But you, worker for Kim and future. Like a Korean people.
I wouldn't say that.
I come from Korea. Only new shoes and uncle's other dress. Worse than prison. But I become Chasusunka, the boss. That's why I try to help you.
Help me how? What are you talking about?
I stake you the money in the storefront. I got a travel agency and a mini mall over at West Cornwall. Shitty business with a fucking 3-year lease. You know, my daughter, very interested in massage, physical therapy, top of tutor's class.
Good for her. It's a tough nut to crack.
She no like physical therapy no more. Crippled people make her sad. Now she watch TV, live at home, do nothing. You pass test, then you, me, my daughter, we make the big success journey. Okay?
Jesus. Yeah, all right. I don't know what to say, Kim. Thanks.
So, Hannah, we open in 3 days, huh?
Fucking stroll in. I'm over here busting my fucking ass.
You fucking crazy!
What? You fucking laundry all fucking day! Fucking scam artist!
Yeah. Yes.